In today's video, I'll show you how to convert OLM to PST so your Outlook for Mac data works seamlessly in Windows Outlook. You'll learn how to prepare, convert, and open your files while keeping emails, contacts, calendars, and folders intact. OLM is the archive format for Outlook on Mac, while PST is used by Outlook on Windows. OST files are cached mailbox files from Exchange or Microsoft 365 on Windows. For OST, you can use the browser tool at www.freeconverter.app. To convert to PST. This method works only for OST, not OLM. For OLM files, use a professional converter tool that prioritizes privacy and handles large mailbox sizes safely. Before converting, always back up your original OLM or OST. This protects your data in case you need to retry or adjust settings. Once conversion is complete, open the resulting PST in Outlook on Windows. Go to File, Open, Export, Open Outlook Data File, browse to your PST, select it, and click OK. The PST will appear in your folder pane, allowing access to emails, contacts, and calendars. Give Outlook time to index the new content. Searches may be incomplete until indexing finishes. If you're moving the PST to another computer, test it there as well. Open it via the same path and check folders, message counts, attachments, and calendar entries. Keep Outlook updated for stability and better search performance. If data appears missing after conversion, rerun the process with options to preserve folder hierarchy or include hidden items. This ensures nested folders, system items, and metadata are fully transferred. Following these steps ensures a smooth transition from Outlook for Mac to Windows, preserving your data, structure, and workflow across platforms.